Spin around.
We're gonna get so. Oh my god!
Yeah! Hold on, Haley.
No, it's
I think we're wet. What do you think?
I told you not to sit by them.
She told us to go.
I think so. It's cold water.
We gotta do it again.
You have to do it again? Well, we're not done yet.
Yeah.
I thought if you could like, yeah, get like, wow. Yeah. He was like,
Rapids! We're in the rapids! Look at that truck!
He's stuck.
we're gonna bump into them. Oh my god, that's a huge drop. It's a little bitty.
Okay, whoever goes backwards.
Whoever goes backwards, what?
Whoever is supposed to be the one going backwards is supposed to get it.
Oh man.
Perfect.
Well, that's not very key. We don't swing around. We don't know exactly where they're getting that.
Oh well.
I have a pretty good idea.
Well, you're gonna have any choice.
Your plan is made now.
Yep. Waterproof. Hold on, dude. Hold on, Haley. Here we go. I don't think I'm too fond of the way we're sitting here. I think I'm gonna get soaked.
But at least we're facing backwards and we can't see what's coming.
Here we go.
Alright, so we're gonna have to
Oh my gosh! Lift your feet up!
Lift your feet up.
the first ride.
I'm gonna be like, I can't even see him.
Hey, are you wet?
I was already cold now.
Get to the side. I don't know.
We didn't get that one, but they were shooting at everybody.
Hopefully those fast passes are waterproof.
Before we go on this again, we're gonna wait about an hour.
Again? We're done.
Again.
We had another crew that bailed out, so we got another four tickets. That kind of warmed me up, actually. Well, what did you think? Was that a good ride? Was that a good ride?
That's done.
Maybe we should go again to see if you liked it. Wave bye.